Welcome to this course, and in this course I'm gonna teach you how to make money with CPA by using Facebook ads. Now for those of you who don't know what CPA is, CPA stands for cost per action. It's where a company or an advertiser will pay you for directing traffic to their site and for getting a customer or prospect to enter information such as their zip code or their name or any other type of information that they're asking for, or even to fill out a survey, for example. Okay, and the payout can be pretty good. I mean, some networks pay $3 per action. Okay, so you don't even have to sell anything or get the customer to buy anything from that company. So, for example, let's talk about car insurance. Enter your postal code or zip code um, into this information. So if this was a CPA offer and you drove traffic to this page and the customer were to enter their postal code or zip code, you will get paid for that action. So CPA is cost per action. Okay, so in this course, I'm going to teach you, I'm going to show you what CPA networks you can apply to, and I'm also going to go over what type of CPA offers do well on Facebook. I'm also going to show you how to do your market research so you know who you're marketing to for whichever CPA offer you're promoting. And so when you create the ad on Facebook, you'll know what keywords to select and how to go about with your marketing campaign. And lastly, I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook ad to promote your CPA offers.